Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what do you say when picking up the phone? You usually say "喂" first when picking up the phone. Can you use "喂" for greetings in person as well? Although "喂" means hello, we do not use it for greetings in person. And you have to remember the "喂" has to be in second tone when you answer the phone. 喂. If you pronounce the 喂 in third tone, 喂, it's similar to the English word hey, which is usually used to get other people's attention. There are some other expressions used only on the phone. Picking up the phone is 喂，揾邊位啊？喂，揾邊位啊？ It literally means, hello, who are you looking for? If the person who they want to talk to is not available, you can say 佢唔喺度，你遲啲再打嚟啦。佢唔喺度，你遲啲再打嚟啦。Which means he or she is not here. Would you call back a little bit later? Making a phone call is 打電話. Here are some examples. 揾邊位啊? Meaning, whom do you want to talk to? 打電話 means making phone call and literally hitting the phone, hitting the telephone. So how was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any other questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見